So folks, I thought I would share with y'all just what our golfing group did for one of our favorite members.
All your friends wanted to get you something for your birthday.
What?
But we missed your birthday. But we didn't want to wait until next year.
Okay.
So we'll start with this.
Wow, let me see what they have. I hope I'm 65 years old.
Well,
Wow.
All right.
Hey.
And it says you deserve an upgrade.
Thank you.
What are we going to upgrade? Well, your golf equipment is as old as you are, I think. And we decided you needed an upgrade there. We were going to get you a new 4-iron. But there's no way we could find one that you could hit better than the one you have now.
Yes, yes.
We thought about a new driver. You're killing your driver. A new putter with the new grip, it's magic.
Only I need your hat.
There you go. Well, there was one or two things we thought we could upgrade for you, though.
What's that?
It's the biggest gift bag we could find.
Wow.
You can keep the trash bag too.
There you go.
Wow.
That could be for the rain.
here, let me hold this. Let me hold the, hold the club.
Rain coat. Might have a little food on it.
Thank you guys. Whoa, that's Japanese shoe, my hand. Wow, that's unbelievable. Thank you guys.
We got your new golf balls, and you'll never lose them because they all got your name on them.
In Japanese.
In Japanese.
How did you make
So
this?
somebody finds those in the woods, remember, this
Give
is
me.
Yoshi.
That's right.
Give it back.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tony just donated that.
Well, there you go. And one more.
Wow, winter time.
You and Mr. Hickey.
Wow. I take back the car. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. He's getting out of here.